the truth.
Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cookie pizza at home. If you haven't already, like the video, share this with your friends, and turn on the notification bell. Anyway, enjoy the recipe. The ingredients you're going to need to put into the mixture in the mixer in order to make this cookie pizza. So first of all, you need one egg, put it into the mixer. Then after that, you need white sugar, which is 32 grams. Okay, that's awesome. And now we put that thing down and start mixing. Yes, mixing. Now we add some brown sugar, which is 96 grams. Oh, okay, sorry for the inconvenience. We have melted butter. Add it into the mixer, and it is 64 grams. Now we take that off and we put all-purpose flour into the mixture, which is 256 grams, as you can see in the edits. Okay, I put the excess in and keep mixing until you have this dough-like consistency. You know what I mean? Like cookie dough. Okay, we're nearly there. Now we add vegetable oil, which is 32 milliliters. And then after that, we mix again. And we add vanilla essence, which is 1 teaspoon. And you guessed it, mix. Oh, look at that. Nice. And now we add baking powder and salt. And again, we mix. Okay, there we go. We have this dough-like consistency. Now, wear a glove and then use your clean glove to knead this. Yeah, knead this into something like this, and then transfer it into the baking sheet. Here you go. Oh yeah, add some chocolate chips as well, by the way, because you need the chocolate chips for the cookie, obviously. Now we're gonna transfer it to this baking sheet, and now we're gonna use our hands to flatten this dough up. Oh yeah, I'm using my fist just to make it faster. You don't have to do this, but you can do it. It's my technique. Rub it in. Basically just beat the cookie dough until it's pretty much flat. Right, there we go. Now here we are in the oven. Put it in the oven for 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. As shown in the video, of course. And also demonstrated by my little brother. Thanks though. Yeah. And it's done. Here is the beautiful looking cookie dough. Except it's pretty bright in this screen, as you can see. Don't worry, that will be fixed later. Anyway, now we add more chocolate chips because honestly, why not? Okay, there we go. Are you okay though, Arshad? Ooh, melted chocolate. Eat some. Anyway, here's our finished product. Enjoy the pizza.
This is really
So unfortunately, a footage of me showing you how to make the optional toppings that was shown on the thumbnail was deleted or couldn't be found. So basically, I'm just gonna tell you by voice. So basically, you just take a scoop of ice cream, you put it on top of the cookie pizza, and then after that, you melt chocolate chunks with milk in a microwave, and then after that, you spread it with your spoon, and yeah, that's basically it. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Check out these other videos. So, yeah, goodbye, and thank you for watching my video.